Good morning, campers. Because we are so tail heavy, I went ahead and did one more run of the cat scale before we leave today, checking how we looked in the 12th hole, which is the 41-foot mark, which is the length, that's the kingpin to rear axle limit in most other states that aren't called California. So yeah, we are good there. We are very good there. In fact, we're better there than we are in the 7th hole, which is we are currently running in the 7th hole, which according to my tape measure is California legal.
Then turn right.
Barely. According to the tape measure, we're fine. Hello, I just need to leave. This is the most annoying part of the pay-to-park scams at truck stops like this, is getting out. Like, I don't mind so much paying to park. I mind losing like 10 minutes of my workday to this. Thank you. Welcome back, folks. We are at the Petro in North Las Vegas, which also happens to be a Sinclair, which is kind of cool. It's right near the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, which you can see directly in front of us, having some kind of track day, which I think every day is track day here.
Left on I-15 north.
I'm pretty sure every day is track day here. But you know, that's a great slogan for them if they don't already use it. Every day is track day.
Point 1 mile ahead, turn right, then turn left.
Alright, how do I get in and fuel my tractor? That's all I want. I just want fuel. We attempted to fuel at the Pilot in Las Vegas, and that place is just so terribly run that none of their pumps are working. Or if any of their pumps were working, I couldn't figure out which ones were working. I sat in line for like 15 minutes just to get to a pump, and then it wasn't working, so I went inside, because the person in front of me said, oh, you can start the pump inside.
Turn right, then turn left.
It's like, okay, so I go inside, and I stood in line another 10 minutes, and they didn't finish even a single transaction. So it's like, okay, sure. Y'all do this, I'm gonna go spend Prime's money at the Petro instead. Like, you guys have lost my...
350 feet ahead, turn left.
You've lost my patronage here. So, we will not be getting fuel there, we will instead be getting fuel here. Which is probably more expensive, but, you know, I can't run on promises and faith. This thing requires diesel fuel to run, and this place has diesel, the last place did not, so we are getting fuel here. So, I'll see you guys when we leave. Alright, are we going to get a spot here, or... Alright, so we've got ourselves parked for the night. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this place, so I'm not even going to try. But we did find ourselves a rest area. There were no paid parking spots left, but this rest area has a nice big dirt area near the end of it, and I just, you know, hopped the curb and we're parked here for the night. And, you know, there's 3 other trucks here now that have done the same thing as me. One guy did it before I got here, and then 2 other people have done this since I arrived. You can see one to my left, and there's another one to his left. Plus, there's room for more trucks to squeeze in between us all. But hopefully, we will remain able to access the freeway parked here. there's a chance that somebody might be dumb and just hop the curb and park like right in front of me, which would suck, but no, we'll still be able to find a way out, I think. This stuff seems pretty stable. It's been raining here all day and it's not turned completely to mud. So, you know, oh, we got another friend coming to join us right now, actually. Are you going to pull in between us, or are you going to go further left? What's your choice here? You are going further left. Okay, goodbye, friend. So yeah, there's that. I think someone can squeeze between me and this flatbedder. Probably. I don't honestly know. It's not really my problem, as long as they don't hit me. So yeah, fascinating setup we've got here. Which is just this dirt lot next to the, there's no lines, so there's no rules, so I have not done anything wrong in deciding to park here. I could have definitely gotten closer to the truck to my right, which I feel maybe I should have, but I feel like my reefer's kind of loud, and there was lots of room here, so it's like, yeah. If someone wants to park next to me, knowing I have a reefer, and then it's noisy, let them do it. But I don't want to inflict that upon someone. Let them make the call, you know? Here's another truck coming in now. You gonna hop the curb and come in with us? Wow, this place is filling up fast. This dirt lot might not last terribly much longer. Interesting, that guy's only got a single drive axle. He must haul really light loads. But yeah, no, we'll be here all night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's ElioDare, AzarAngel17 on Twitter, Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on Twitter at ElioDare. No apostrophe in the username there. Of course, Twitter's the best place to get a hold of me, but you can also leave comments below the videos. I do read them all. And that's a really fun thing for me to do, because then I get to park in places like this and pull out my tablet, and then there's comments to read, and then I go to bed and don't edit because I don't have time, because I spend all my time reading comments in Twitter. I mean, editing. I definitely edit lots, and it's wonderful. Have a great day! Oh, you guys actually want to see the, more of the dirt lot? There's the truck to our left. One of the folks that just pulled in has already pulled past him. The guy to our left is at a kind of weird angle, so I'm not entirely sure someone could squeeze between his tail and my trailer, but probably alright. Yeah, we'll find out. We wake up in the morning and there's someone to my left, we'll know it was possible. Or there'll be a dent in my trailer, one or the other.